Can cats be trained to use the toilet? Cats are known for their independence and self-sufficiency, but can they be trained to use the toilet? Many cat owners have wondered if it's possible to train their feline friends to use the same toilet that they do. While it may seem like a convenient and clean solution, the reality is that training a cat to use the toilet is not always as easy as it sounds. Toilet training a cat requires patience, persistence, and a lot of positive reinforcement. It is important to note that not all cats will be able to learn this skill, as each cat has its own personality and preferences. Some cats may simply prefer the familiar and comfortable feeling of using a litter box. The first step in toilet training a cat is to slowly introduce them to the bathroom environment. This can be done by placing their litter box near the toilet and gradually moving it closer over time. This will help familiarize the cat with the bathroom and make them more comfortable with the idea of using the toilet. Once the cat is comfortable in the bathroom, the next step is to introduce them to a special training seat that fits securely on the toilet bowl. This seat has a small hole in the center, allowing the cat to see and smell the water below. The seat should be placed on top of the toilet with the litter box underneath it, so the cat can still use it if they are not comfortable using the toilet seat yet. The training seat should be left on the toilet for a few days, allowing the cat to explore and get used to it. During this time, it is important to provide positive reinforcement by praising and rewarding the cat whenever they use the training seat. This can be done with treats, affection, or even a special toy. Once the cat is comfortable with the training seat, it is time to gradually remove the litter box from underneath it. This can be done by slowly reducing the amount of litter in the box and eventually removing it completely. The cat should be encouraged to use the training seat instead of the litter box and rewarded for doing so. It is important to be patient during this process, as some cats may take longer to adapt than others. It is also crucial to provide a backup litter box in case the cat is not fully comfortable using the toilet seat. This will prevent accidents and keep the cat from developing any negative associations with toilet training. While toilet training a cat may be a time-consuming and challenging process, it can be a worthwhile endeavor for some cat owners. Not only does it eliminate the need for a litter box, but it also reduces the amount of waste and odor associated with traditional litter box use. However, there are some drawbacks to cat toilet training. One of the main concerns is the potential for accidents and messes if the cat is not properly trained. It is important to thoroughly clean the toilet and surrounding area after each use to prevent any unpleasant odors or bacteria buildup. Another consideration is the size and age of the cat. While most cats can be trained to use the toilet, it may be more difficult for larger, older cats to balance on the training seat. In such cases, it may be best to stick with a traditional litter box. In conclusion, while it is possible to train a cat to use the toilet, it is not a guaranteed or easy process. It requires time, patience, and positive reinforcement. It is important to consider the individual cat's personality and preferences before attempting toilet training. Ultimately, the decision to toilet train a cat should be based on what is best for both the owner and the cat.